Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock a Nissan Altima with a dead battery. First, you'll need to get inside. Your Nissan key fob contains a hidden emergency key. Simply press the small release latch on the back of the fob and pull out the physical key. Then, insert this key into the driver's side door lock and turn it to unlock. The car alarm might sound, but don't worry, it will stop once the vehicle is started. Now that you're inside, the next step is to open the hood to access the battery. Look on the driver's side, typically near the floorboard or lower dash, for the hood release lever. It often has a car icon with the hood open. Pull this lever firmly. You should hear a pop. Then, go to the front of your Altima, reach under the hood near the Nissan emblem, and locate the secondary safety latch. Push this latch to the side to fully open the hood. To elevate your gameplay, focus on advanced strategies. Experiment with weapon attachments such as scopes, grips, and magazines to optimize your firearm's recoil and accuracy. Effective team communication is vital. Use the ping system and voice chat to coordinate pushes and share enemy locations. Vehicles like buggies and sedans offer rapid map traversal and temporary cover, but remember they also attract attention. Congratulations, your Altima should now be running. Carefully remove the jumper cables in the exact reverse order of connection. First the negative from your Altima, then the negative from the good car, followed by the positive from the good car, and finally the positive from your Altima. Drive your Nissan for at least 15 to 20 minutes to help recharge the battery. For long-term peace of mind, it's a good idea to have your battery and charging system professionally checked.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.